Hey guys, Michael Chrysler here, First Choice Power Washing, Lexington Wash Supply. Back here at my shop, building a 14-foot flatbed for a recently purchased Isuzu NPR that had a box, and we had the box taken off. So now we're going to build a flatbed for it. Had a few questions about it. Guys were asking about it, want to see it. I really wasn't going to make a video about the actual flatbed or building it or anything like that, because it's really not pressure washing related, but I was more likely to do some videos on actually putting the pressure wash equipment on and out, laying it out and whatnot like that. But some guys want to know about how we built it and things like that. So basically we've got, and now remember here, I've got my own welder, a few classes on welding, actually about 80 hours of welding classes, and my own plasma cutter, whatnot. So this is not for everybody. Even myself, I'm not an expert at it, but know enough through my classes and stuff to take care of this, and we're doing it. But anyhow, we started out with some 6-inch C-channel, 14 foot long. On the Isuzus, the rail is 33 inches wide, and I think that's about standard, but you want to measure all that and make sure. But we've got 6-inch C-channel for our rails going all the way up. We've got some 3-inch C-channel for the rest of the frame, and I've got it where the C-channel faces out, because I'm gonna put some lights and things in here. We're gonna have some running lights in here. Rounder those off, because those will really get your gut or whatever. And then obviously the top here is going to be some 1/8 inch diamond plate steel. Let's see what else here. I mean, you basically line it out. You just want to make sure it's nice and straight. Use your 3, 4, 5, or the A squared plus B squared equals C squared to get square, whatnot. One of the biggest reasons I don't buy just a flatbed for the truck, first of all, they're extremely expensive unless you buy one used, and but my biggest reason is they're 8 foot wide, and 8 foot wide means I'm not going to be able to reach across here and grab anything out of this middle on an 8 foot wide bed. I don't want to have to get up on this truck at all to reach anything. I want to be able to get to the things I have to get to, unless there's some extreme reason, but we do not want to have to get on the bed. This is what makes these flatbeds and open trailers and whatnot so easy to work off of, is because I can reach everything. You see, we built our own headache rack here, and another reason for building my own thing is I can do things I want to, like make these little pockets here. This hasn't been welded on yet, but make these little pockets here that we can put things in. I'm not sure what'll go in it, but I can actually put a house washing wand in there, or whatever, you know. But we can put them in there. So far on this bed, everything has been fit. These plates have been just fit. They're not mounted yet. The only thing that's actually welded is the headache rack and these plates here, to save on weight when it comes time to actually pick this thing up and put it on the truck. I'm just waiting on some seats to be recovered so I can drive the truck back over here and put this all on. And I wanted to go ahead and get these things welded, because once it's on the truck, I'm not going to have enough room to really get back in there and do any of that welding. As you see, we've made a place here, and there'll be a place here also where we'll have a pocket to throw some things in if we need to. Actually, even considering something in these areas as well, maybe a way to put a service cleaner on. And if I do that, I'll be sure to make a video about that, because that is definitely pressure washing related, is finding cool ways to haul a surface cleaner. Ordered us some mud flaps. I got to put those on to be DOT compliant, and then these U-bolts we had custom made. Basically, you tell them your measurements, which is mine's 6 inches, and then on the actual flatbed, but then the truck rails are about another 9 inches. So they determine all those things based on your dimensions and whatnot. And then we'll put a couple holes in here, and this will go on the end of the U-bolt like this, and the nuts, and it'll snug down on the bed, and that's how you mount the bed to the truck. In case any of you have never done it before, that's what we're doing. So thought I'd let y'all see that. And actually, this opening here is where our window is, so we'll be able to see out the back if nothing's on this truck. If there's a water tank on here, it's not gonna matter anyhow, but actually considering putting the First Choice logo right there, having it cut out with like a CNC or whatever, and just having a really cool logo right there. I'm still thinking about it, whether or not I want to do expanded metal or let somebody do that for us. But there it is, the flatbed's going on an Isuzu NPR. It's 14 foot by 7 foot wide. That's it. I mean, if you've got the skills or the welding skills, I mean, right now I've got about $1,500 in just material, and then including, you know, a few days of, you know, fit up and welding and whatnot. And I've already gone ahead and just spray painted some of this, because as soon as we do a weld, I want to get it covered just to keep that rust away. And we'll likely have this bed Linexed. Still thinking about it. Don't know if I want to do it myself or go ahead and let those guys do it. With it being just a flat surface like that, it's not as expensive as it is in a truck where they're having to do a lot of different things and tape off a lot of stuff. But I may have this Linex as well, being as the steel is not the most friendly with our chemicals and whatnot. And money being no object, I would have gone stainless or aluminum. But I'm a working guy just like you guys, so got to save on the bottom line. Again, Michael Chrysler, Lexington Wash Supply, First Choice Power Washing.